Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to start a faceless YouTube channel. You don't actually need a camera, followers or confidence to actually start in YouTube in 2026. In this video I'll show you exactly how to start a faceless YouTube channel step by step. So your first step would be to pick a profitable faceless niche. As we all know, YouTube thrives on different kinds of niches. It supports niches from different varieties. We have tech, we have sport, we have entertainment, we have science and research. Now, choosing a niche that works without showing your face is quite simple because there are almost infinite amount of niches you can select. You can even create a niche of your own type if people are interested in your kind of content. But the best thing is to pick what niche works and what niche is profitable and has a high number of views. All right, so moving on, the niches we have that are good or profitable are tutorials, AI tools and software guides, motivational quotes, motivational videos, top tens where people list top tens of anything. It could be funny moments, it could be violent moments, it could be police arrests, facts, stories, or explanations, entertainment, movie recaps. There are 100 niches you can try. Now, the next step is creating your YouTube channel. I already have created a YouTube channel. You can check out our previous video. But if you want to begin creating your YouTube channel, all you need to do is once you've logged on to YouTube, it's quite simple. Click on the profile icon at the top right or click on the sign in option and simply sign into your account. Now, only Google accounts can create YouTube accounts for now. So you must have a Google account in order to create a YouTube channel. So make sure your Google account is set up. If it is not, simply sign up to Google and then use that Google sign up info to sign in to YouTube and thus creating a YouTube channel, or rather creating a YouTube account. Now, with your YouTube account, all you need to do is click on the profile icon at the top right and just underneath your name or tag, just click on create channel. There is an option to create a channel here. And once you've clicked on it, you would be dropped here and your channel would be created. Though you'd be asked to provide a profile image, a name, a tag, and maybe some customizations for your channel. All right, so after you have created your channel, make sure you use a clean brand name or a niche based name. So, a brand name is a name that would carry on the legacy of your channel, like Mr. Beast or Mr. Who's the Boss. Those are channels that have a brand that are a brand, while a niche based name would be the best of the best, or football related channels, or cooking related channels, or even documentary style channels. A channel that's famous for its top 10 is Top 10. That's a good channel. Now, you do not require your personal photos here as this is a faceless channel. So it's meant to be either something that is an abstract profile. So your profile could be an abstract image that is in the placeholder. All right, so now the next thing is setting up your channel branding. So create your profile picture or logo or text and use a simple banner with Canva. So now if you were to open up Canva, simply log on to canva.com and simply sign into Canva or sign up for Canva. Once you're on here, just simply click on home, and when you're on the home section, click on template, and from here just go ahead and type in YouTube banner. Go ahead and type in YouTube banner here, and a list of banners you can use for your channel would be provided. You can also take some inspiration from here to create your YouTube profile image if you're having trouble doing that yourself, like a logo or text. And then write a short niche focused description. This helps YouTube know who to recommend your videos to. So it is actually quite important to have a channel description here. You can do this by customizing your channel or clicking on your profile image at the top right and heading into YouTube Studios. Now, on the YouTube Studios, you'll be dropped at the dashboard. From the dashboard, simply scroll till you find customization. Click on customization. That's the customization menu here. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to find the option to include a banner image, a picture, a name, a handle, and then the description. Like I said, the description is quite important if you want YouTube to recommend your videos to people. And don't forget to add a channel URL and maybe some contact info. Now, creating your first faceless video, you can do this or you can go about doing this in a lot of ways. You can take inspiration from other YouTube channels by just simply scouring YouTube for videos. Now, people produce a lot of videos on their channels. People produce different kind of faceless videos. So you can take inspiration from them without directly copying their content. You can take inspiration, like the way they edit, the way they use their lighting, and some easy things you can simply recreate on your own channel. Now, you can use screen recording, stock videos, AI images and clips, text and voiceovers, and then to make use of what you've collected, that's the content you've collected. You can make use of tools like Canva, CapCut, and AI voice tools. No camera required, no mic required, so no one knows it's you. And then another thing, or the next step, is to upload and then optimize. So, in order to upload, you may be wondering, all you need to do is just click on your profile here and click on upload, and you have done this. Now, if you do not find the upload icon on your YouTube channel, just simply click on the YouTube channel again and simply select the YouTube Studios. Once you're on YouTube Studios, simply head over to the dashboard on YouTube Studios, and then you'd find the upload option again to simply upload your videos or short clips, and they could be registered as either short or long form content on YouTube. And then, last but not least, stay consistent and scale. And also pay for advertisements. A lot of people don't like advertising as they believe uh, YouTube doesn't require advertisement. It does. So please try to pay for ads for your videos. Try to boost your channel by dropping your channel videos on other social medias and requesting follows from the top 100 of influencers or top influencers in your area or people you have access to. Now, staying consistent is quite easy as you can just post 2 to 3 long videos per week or 5 to 10 short videos depending on the type of niche you're running. And also, daily shorts can be used for faster growth. And consistency beats quality in the beginning, so stay consistent. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about this. Comment down below if you have any question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.